Come here, baby. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. We're going to go for a walk later. One of your most unfavorite things to do, but you're getting better. Come here. Let's show Mom and Dad your new... Oh, what's a pretty girl. Look at that pretty girl. Are you going to play coy with Mom? Huh? Come on over here. Come over here. Huh? It's a good girl. It's a good girl. Huh? Guess what? You're going home. You got a home. Look at her sulking off. Like she has it so bad. Come here, baby. It's a good girl. It's a good girl. Tucker. Tucker. This is my other foster, Tucker. He's a 20-pounder. And there's little Chester. He's a 7-pounder. And let's see, I've got one sick with kennel cough locked up. And where's Ange? Come on, baby. Come on, honey. She's a good girl. She's wagging her tail. She's wagging her tail.